Hello, rising parents. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. In this video, I will give you 11 tips on how to get your child to eat more fruits and vegetables. And, as always, I will share our Great 8 from Amazon. For those of you that are new to our channel, our Great 8 are 8 products from Amazon that will help you accomplish your parenting goals. Today's Great 8 will help you to get more fruits and vegetables in your child's diet. So, without further ado, let's get started. How to get your child to eat more fruits and vegetables. We all know how crucial it is to eat fruits and veggies. Healthy, well-balanced meals provide the energy and nutrition that children require for learning and development. Every day, children require at least 5 servings of vegetables and fruits. This is a vital step in helping to build their immune systems so that they can learn and grow while being healthy and strong. But how do we encourage our kids to eat more of these foods? To accomplish this task, we will need to be creative. It can be a lot of fun for the whole family to come up with new ways to convince your child to eat more fruits and veggies. In this video, we will give you 11 tips on how to get your child to eat more fruits and vegetables. Let's get started. 1. Shop wisely. Choose a variety of fruits and vegetables when you go grocery shopping. Canned and frozen foods are both healthy and cost-effective. Choose canned veggies with a lower salt content and only canned fruit that is in 100% juice. You may also ensure freshness by purchasing seasonal fruits and vegetables from local markets. 2. Empower your child. Allow your child to select an appealing fruit or vegetable from the grocery store. Involve your child in the preparation of meals so that he or she becomes acquainted with the ingredients. Provide both raw and cooked veggie options so that your child can pick his or her favorite. Some kids prefer raw vegetables to be crunchy, while others prefer soft and mushy vegetables. 3. Be a good role model. Serve fruits and vegetables frequently, particularly at each meal and snack. Allow your children to see you making healthy food choices and eating your vegetables and fruits. If they don't eat fruits or vegetables, don't force them to, and don't criticize or call unnecessary attention to them if they don't. Simply serve and eat them. They should be a part of your daily routine. 4. Eat veggies with them. Children are more likely to mimic the acts of people around them than to listen to verbal instructions. This means that when parents eat vegetables on a regular basis, children are more likely to follow suit and try them as well. For parents who have difficulty eating specific veggies, this can be difficult. Vegetable-focused recipe books are a terrific way to learn how to make vegetables taste better. In today's Great 8, I'll recommend several excellent cookbooks. 5. Grow those veggies. Children are excited to try food that they have labored over. Setting up a little area for a garden can be a terrific way to get kids outside and active while also introducing them to different vegetables. It's also a fantastic way to teach science, math, and reading. Food can be grown in a balcony container, a sunny windowsill, a backyard garden, or a community garden plot. 6. Allow the child to be creative. Children enjoy having a good time, exploring new things, and being creative. Allowing children to create pictures with their vegetables before they eat them can help them get familiar with new foods. This gives them a chance to experience the colors, textures, and smells of the vegetables in a non-threatening way. Do not force the child, simply place the vegetables on their plate and allow them to explore. Encourage kids to build a clown face out of their vegetables or give them little cookie cutters to use to cut figures out of cooked sweet potatoes and squash. There are many creative ways to use vegetables and fruits as snacks. 7. Use veggies as scoops. On the playground, in the yard, or at the beach, kids enjoy scooping things up. This holds true at the dinner table as well. Serving nutritious dips with vegetables might help kids form positive food associations. Carrots, broccoli, celery, squash, cucumbers, onions, and bell peppers all make great dippers for dips like hummus, guacamole, bean dip, or cucumber yogurt dip with herbs. It'll be a little messy, but it'll be worth it. Cleaning up is easier if a piece of butcher paper or a disposable tablecloth is placed on the table. If you hand kids some crayons, they can even draw their own placemat covered in pictures of fruits and vegetables. 8. Rotate a variety of fruits and vegetables. Your child will find it interesting if there is variety. Experiment with recipes that use a variety of colors and flavors. Also, try different herbs, spices, and ethnicities to keep expanding your child's sense of food adventure. 9. Add fruits and vegetables to existing favorites. Many children love fun foods like smoothies, muffins, pancakes, macaroni and cheese, and burgers. Using these familiar recipes can be a great way to add vegetables into their meals and improve their nutrition. A small handful of raw spinach leaves blended into a blueberry smoothie is almost invisible, and the taste is covered by the other ingredients like blueberries, banana, and peanut butter. Zucchini or pumpkin bread or muffins are a delicious and nutritious start to the day. Recipes that use whole grain flour and reduce sugar are healthiest. For added nutrition, add grated zucchini, pureed sweet potato, or canned pumpkin to the batter. Broccoli or cauliflower can be added to macaroni and cheese to make a delicious meal. Cauliflower can be riced and used as a pizza crust. Vegetable additions to burgers include putting minced onion, garlic, and peppers into the patties and serving them with tomato slices and lettuce. Keeping things fun can help keep kids healthy. 10. Don't give up. Children can be finicky eaters. A child may need up to 15 tries with a new food before they are willing to accept it. When introducing a new food to a child, consider color, smell, and texture. A child may enjoy raw crunchy broccoli but not cooked broccoli in casseroles, or soft canned peaches but not freshly sliced peaches. Be a positive role model. Eat a wide range of fruits and vegetables. Encourage your child to try new foods in a comfortable dining environment. 11. Be a little sneaky. Add broccoli florets or julienne carrots to pasta or potato salad. Add spinach, mushrooms, or zucchini to spaghetti sauce. Mash beans and add corn and carrots in chili. Shred zucchini and carrots into meatloaf or casseroles. Note: raw fruits and vegetables, such as grapes and corn, may pose a choking hazard for children under 4 years of age. Cut grapes in quarters, grate carrots, and remove strings from celery for younger children. Go ahead, be sneaky. Try these tips to work more fruits and vegetables into your child's diet. Now let's take a look at our Great 8 from Amazon. Today's Great 8 are vegetable recipe books and tips that will help you get more fruits and vegetables in your child's diet. 1. I can't eat this stuff. 2. 5-ingredient smoothie recipe book. 3. How to get your kids to eat their veggies. 4. The complete salad cookbook. 5. From mac and cheese to veggies, please. 6. Vegetables, the ultimate cookbook. 7. Tricks to get your kids to eat vegetables. 8. Simply Vegetable, a cookbook for seasonal veggies. I will put the Amazon product links to these Great 8 in this video description below. All our Amazon product links in this video description will take you straight to the official Amazon website and will never increase the price of the product you choose to purchase. Just click on the Amazon product link you choose from this video description below and add it to your Amazon shopping cart just before you proceed to checkout. Every purchase you make through our Amazon product links helps fund our charity, selflessoutreach.org. So, turn your next Amazon order into a charitable contribution at no additional cost to you. Thank you for your support. This concludes how to get your child to eat more fruits and vegetables. Give these tips a try. Also, try at least one of our great 8. I think you will find that once you implement these tips, you will start seeing the results you want. As always, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Goodbye for now and have a great day.